all? Wishing you all a very happy new year. Here I am again to show you some new DIY room decors. So this is the part 2 of my previous video. If you haven't watched it, watch it. I'll put link in description. So for now, let's get started. For this, cut 12 pentagonal shapes out of cardboard and using 6 pieces, stick them together using sellotape as I am doing here. Do the exact same with other 6 pieces. Now, stick 2 edges of cardboard using sellotape, creating a bowl shape. Now take these 2 pieces and stick them together. Then to hide the sellotape, I am sticking white chart paper on the cardboard. Once I stick the white paper, I'll stick small stripes of any color paper just to hide the uneven raw edges. Then I'll take the calendar prints. You can find them on internet or I'll put them down in description if possible, and stick them on cardboard. And that's it. This can be a good display piece on your bedside table or on your study table or wherever on your work area. Next is the to-do list. On a color paper, draw a rectangle on the top. Then draw small 9 squares of size of your sticky notes. Outline the rectangle and the squares. Inside the rectangle, I am writing to-do list for. And draw a square to stick a note there. I also trace circular pattern design on the sides of rectangle and outlining it with black sketch pen. Then erase any pencil marks and you're done. Next is dream catcher. I think dream catchers are perfect New Year DIYs. Cause it's a new year and you've got new chances to complete your dreams. First, I'll take a ring and cover it with a cord. Afterwards, using thread, I'll tie a knot around the ring and make a web with the thread. First, hold the thread below the ring, creating a loop, and from above, insert it through the loop. As this is also my first time making a dream catcher, so I don't know how to explain, but it gets easy once you practice it a few times. Then using a needle, I'll sew some beads into the thread. I didn't had many feathers and also didn't found it in any local store, so I'm making these bead strings. Then tie all the strings at bottom of dream catcher however you want, and that's it. Video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you liked the video, do hit the like button. Also comment down below whatever you feel about the video. I'll be posting more such videos, not only DIY but also other types of videos. So for that, also subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your year, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.